Here we are, start today's ride. So we're on the SL today and we're going to Stoke Bruerne, I believe. I'll bring it back in a minute. Here we are on the Grand Union Canal, bridge number 75. We're on the SL today. So I live just in those houses just over there. I was forecast a bit of rain, but we'll see.
Working from 7 to 11 here and there really makes life a drag. I don't think that's right. I've really been the best of food. I did what I could, yeah. Of course I love you, baby. How I love you, darling. How I love you, baby. How I love you.
Here we are at St. Peter's.
Little girl. Baby, since I've been loving you, yeah, I'm about to lose my war and mind. Ah, yeah. Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way.
Hi, here we are today. So we're riding towards Tatterhall End now, a little bit across country.
Sometimes I grow so tired. And though our health we drank 1,000 times.
Well, they got a bit sheepish now. So Tatwall Lane's just down the bottom there, you can see.
But Gollum at the evil wall crept up and slipped away with her, yeah. And ain't nothing I can do now. I guess I'll keep on rambling. I'm gonna see myself.
Comes out in Hansel up somewhere.
I'm gonna ramble on, sing my song, gonna work my way around the world, baby. Do, my baby, ramble on, baby. Do, I guess I do feel it in my heart every time I think I got the heart. I gotta keep searching for my baby. I gotta keep searching for my baby.
Caught some people grafting on a Sunday. Let's have a look the other way. Oh yeah. Yeah, we've got some serious track work going on. Go in that way. That's a few years old, isn't it?
the darkest depths of Mordor, I met a girl so fair. But Gollum, at the evil wall, crept up and slipped away.